Today we will be creating a dry, natural styled look utilizing our Rolda styling products. First things first, we want to create our solid foundation by applying Rolda's sculpting spray. Make sure to distribute the product evenly all throughout the hair. Grabbing my fingertips, I will move the hair around, making sure that the sculpting spray hits all of the desired areas. I will then take my round brush and my blow dryer and begin mold the hair and sculpt the hair how I want it. Once I have established my foundation and my hair is styled to my desired look, I will then proceed by applying Rolda's Hair Clay, making sure to take only a dime size amount into my palm and rubbing it all around my hands evenly. I want to stretch out the product, and I want to begin with the tips of the hair, working it into the style. I'm not trying to create a new style, I'm trying to enhance the style that I have right now, locking it in and giving it that dry, natural look. Notice how I'm using my fingertips to apply it into the hair. Remember, the sculpting spray is already in there, so I've already created my foundation. I'm now applying the clay and taking my Rolda styling comb and working the product into the hair with the look that I already have. I get to manipulate the hair and it gives it a hold when I have that clay in there. And there you have it, a natural, dry look and style utilizing Rolda styling products.